Today we're out here with Plote Construction celebrating over 60 years of valued partnership. They've got lunch for the crew, we've got beautiful machines, and we're just here and proud to be a part of it. Let's go see what's going on.
Hi, my name is Brian Serio. I'm the General Sales Manager with Altorfer Cat. We're here at Plote Construction to celebrate the partnership of not only Caterpillar's 100-year anniversary, but Plote's 61st year in business. As you can see behind me, there's some great commemorative models that Caterpillar's released, and here is a 980 rebuild that Plote partnered with Altorfer on out of our Rockford store. Centennial Grey and black, and it looks fantastic. This has been a partnership for many, many years. Plote is one of the most reputable contractors in the Chicago market. We can't do it without trust, and we appreciate all of the input we receive from Plote, and they receive the same input from us. It's a partnership that's built on open communication, tell it like it is, which is the Altorfer motto, and we can't thank you enough. Thank you very much.
I just wanted to say thank you to the Plote team for partnering with us on this opportunity for rebuilds. Got a couple of 980s that we did, one that's showing behind us here, and possible for a third, and then a nice D5 that's brand new for them. Heck of a partnership between the two companies. Looking forward to many years coming and growing together.
Huge thank you to Plote for having us out today. Awesome people, awesome machines, and we're excited about our future together.